Assalamu alaikum. This is I Hisham Ahmed. Welcome to my YouTube English language teaching channel. Uh, I have made this channel just to teach you English in a very simple way. Uh, अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि हम पाकिस्तान के अंदर लोग इंग्लिश को बहुत मुश्किल समझते हैं। इंग्लिश हालांकि बहुत आसान ज़बान है और इंग्लिश समझना, इंग्लिश बोलना कोई मुश्किल नहीं है। बस प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम इंग्लिश को मुश्किल समझते हैं, इसलिए हमें मुश्किल लगती है। तो मेरा ये YouTube चैनल, its name is English with Hash. Meaning of hash is what? Hash means hasha. Okay, so I have made here the half of my name, Hash. So in this video channel I would like to teach you English in a very simple way, and that way that's a bit funny. It means that I will teach you English with fun. You will learn with fun here. So I hope that you will be connected with me through my YouTube channel, English with Hash. Assalamu alaikum.